Packages are a convenient and repeatable way to remotely execute commands and programs on target computers in HeartbeatRM. In its most basic form, a package consists of a command to run and an optional collection of one or more files. Packages can be used to perform common tasks like installing the Microsoft .NET framework or applying an update or configuration change to an installed program. Let's walk through a quick example. The first step is to create your package. We'll visit the Packages section to do so. Click the plus sign in the top right corner to create a new package. Let's give it a name so we can identify it later. Add our files, specify the command to run, and click Create Package to save. Now we'll try running it. I'll pull up the remote computer where I want it to run and select the Packages tab. Click Run Package to see a list of available packages. Currently the only option is the one we've just created, which I'll select to continue. By default, when the package executes, only the command's result code is recorded to indicate success or failure. However, if you want to capture the full output, check the box for Capture All Output. 5 minutes is plenty of time for my package to run, but if you have a longer running package, you can configure that here. Click Run Package to remotely execute the package on the target computer. Our package execution now appears in the list along with the current status. When the package runs to completion, the result code indicates the command's success or failure. This can vary based on the command or program being run, but usually 0 indicates success and any other value indicates failure. Since we checked the box to capture all output, we can click the paragraph icon to review more details. In addition to the output from our command, there is some setup text at the top, which can be useful for troubleshooting if a problem occurs. To recap, packages are a great way to remotely execute commands and programs in a few clicks, without needing full remote access into the machine. This means less time spent setting up and running the program and less interruption for your remote users. If you have any questions or suggestions on how packages work, please send an email to support@heartbeatrm.com.